Feeling overwhelmed by too many payment reminders and promotional alerts from Klarna? In this video, I'll show you how to manage and hide your notifications. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Customizing your notifications helps you stay informed without being bombarded. You have full control in the app settings. Open the Klarna app and go to your account or profile. Look for Settings and then find Notifications or Push Notifications. You'll see a list of notification types you can toggle on or off. These often include payment reminders, promotions and offers, new features, and security alerts. For a quieter experience, you could turn off promotions, but keep payment reminders and security alerts on so you don't miss anything critical. A crucial pro tip: you can also manage these notifications at the system level on your phone. Go to your phone settings and notifications at Klarna, and you can disable them entirely or just turn off sounds and badges, giving you even more granular control over how they interrupt you. And just like that, you've curated an alert system that works for you. Hiding unnecessary notifications reduces digital clutter and stress. Which app sends you the most notifications? Is it a shopping, social media, or news app? Tell us in the comments. This concludes our Klarna Deep Dive series for now. Thanks for watching.